Standard deduction versus itemized. Do you get that question? I mean, the itemized, the standard deduction has gone up so much. I think it's 13,850 per person at a
it's
certain
going
age.
up this year too. So it's going up even more. Well, it'll be 13,850 this year. Yeah. So we don't get that question too much anymore. A majority of the clients, it depends on the situation, obviously too, right? But once they passed the Tax Cuts and Jobs Act back in 2018, it made it where a lot of people just take the standard deduction. However, if you have a handful of different deductions that equate to an amount larger than the standard deduction, then you could take it too. And so that's a bucket of expenses. Those are things like real estate taxes, mortgage interest, sales tax paid throughout the year, certain health-related expenses can qualify, gifts to charity, tithing, those sort of things.
Yeah.
So as an aggregate, if the number of those are higher than the standard deduction, then we're gonna take which one gives you the biggest benefit, basically.
Right, whichever one's higher.
Yep.
So if it's me and my wife, and we each have almost 14,000, so 28,000 collectively in the household. If we have expenses, whether taxes, mortgage, interest, some of the things you mentioned, if it's higher than the 28, then obviously we're going to elect to take the itemized versus.
Yeah, and what you want to do too, a big indicator is owning a home, right? If you own a home and you're paying a mortgage on it, you're paying mortgage interest, you're paying real estate taxes. That's usually going to be like the biggest gateway into making it make sense.
Sure.
But what we tell clients is send us all your stuff. Let us make that determination for you. If you know for a fact it's nowhere even close, then obviously don't go chasing around a ton of paperwork. But you have all the documents. You should get a 1098 from your mortgage company at the end of the year. From your gifts to charity, those sort of things. You have that documentation. Include it in what you send us, and we'll help you make that decision. So that's what we're here for.
Love it.
Yeah.